Let me show you guys another trick how you can simply do a trick on how to edit any photo. We are not going to change any background on this picture right here, or this beautiful lady. So what we're gonna do right now is simply trying to show you how we can make a cool picture out of that. So the first move is simply goes directly into this tool right here. You can see this tool called elliptical marquee tools by simply pressing them on your keyboard. So what we're gonna do, we are going to simply do this little trick right here like this, okay, just like that. So now you can supersize that. So the next move is simply try to press Ctrl and C, Ctrl C to copy. Now we are going to do Ctrl N on our keyboard to create a new window. So let's go directly into Photoshop. We can change it to pixel 900 by 600, something like that, or we can do it like 1920 by 1080, something like that, and the resolution has to be 100. Let me put as 100. So the color has to be this RGB and white. So I can even change the color of this, so let me just leave it like that. So right here we have this. So the next move is to bring in Control V Village to bring in this beautiful picture right here. So what we are going to do next is by simply pressing alternative keys and then drag it like that. So there we have this. Let me simply do you can do a bunch of duplication like that, okay, but this is not what we are here for. We are going simply do three of them just like that, okay. Control alternative plus left mouse key and then do it and put it there just like that. So now the next move is simply to change the background, and in order for us to change the background, we are going to create a layer. This layer we're going to put it right here, and that layer we can goes direct into color, and we're going to put solid. So we can click that or any just do anything that will make this look beautiful, something like that. So there, okay, you can even see that, okay, it's so beautiful just like that. And then when you are done, simply press OK. So this is how you can make a beautiful maybe anything, a banner or whatever you want to do. So here you go. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.